During that time, sabi nila sa akin, "Huwag kang bibitaw, kumapit ka." So, yun, siguro kaya ako kumapit, kaya nandito ako.
Hi everyone, I'm DrKayceeReyes. You can call me Doc Kaycee. I'm a skin doctor, preventive medicine practitioner, and also the founder of Luminisce. Today, I'll be seeing Ryan, who has been complaining of acne breakouts, especially when the pandemic started. He is aware that some of the external factors like his diet, the food that he eats, and his sedentary lifestyle during the pandemic affected his acne breakout. And now we're going to talk about it, diet and its relation to acne.
Hey guys, this is Ryan. I'm a professional host and a financial advisor. I started being a skin investor with Luminisce back in the late 2020. Feeling ko it's the third and fourth quarter kung kailan talaga nag-start yung acne breakouts and problems. It was because of the pandemic stress na yung nakamask tayo all the time even when I work out. So parang talagang nag-break out yung acne ko in this area and I felt na kailangan ko na ng serious consultation for my skin. It was originally my sister and my cousin who are really eager na malaman yung Luminisce. When they saw na parang nagkaka-acne breakout na ako, yun na rin yung time that they helped me change my mindset na, Rai, you should start investing in your skin as well kasi my work is hosting, financial advisor. I'm always in front of other people. That's why dun talaga nag-start also in SkinVesting. And when I got into Luminisce, what's really great about this derma clinic is para talagang they treat you as a family. Parang they're very hands-on and really taking care of me. When I was almost giving up na talagang pinakapit nila ako na, Rai, this will really take time. And during that time, sabi nila sa akin, huwag kang bibitaw, kumapit ka. So, yun, siguro kaya ako kumapit, kaya nandito ako. Top 3 ko siguro will be Coquille Peel and Healite yung first two kasi yung talagang combo na yun really helped me in my acne journey. And at the same time, one of my most favorites here in Luminisce is the Luxury Facial kasi whenever I feel overly stressed outside because of work, because of the pandemic stress, so I really go to Luminisce to pamper myself through Luxury Facial. And also at the same time, what's good with Luminisce is hindi lang sila nakafocus in providing me acne treatments. When I was introduced this year to Innocence, I was so happy kasi they provided me easy and accessible organic meal na pwede kong kainin all the time and pwede talagang mabili ko whenever I feel I'd want to be healthier. Actually, ito mga skin investors, one trivia lang for all of you. When I was on that fitness journey, meron palang effect yung pagiging overweight mo sa hormonal imbalance mo that whenever you are gaining weight more, is talagang nagre-reflect siya inside. Kaya mas nagpo-produce siya ng acne to you outside. Kaya that's why I also chose to lose weight kasi I'd want my hormones to really balance para mas mag-radiate yung glow ko outside. And sabi nga nila, sabi rin ng doctors here in Luminisce, when I was introduced to Innocence, one part of really in my acne journey is losing weight and also eating healthy and the right way. So during that time, when I was consulting with them, nalaman ko na I have to focus on the pigments and the marks that I have on my face. That's why today, I'm very blessed to have the laser treatments with Luminisce again to focus on my pigments and acne marks. O, diba, viewers? Kailangan talaga nagpapakonsult tayo.
Because acne is more than just a skin concern, we need a holistic approach to treat it. Acne is a skin inflammatory disease that has multiple causes, such that the environmental factors that's causing acne is called acne exposome. So what is acne exposome? Acne exposome is the sum of all environmental factors influencing the occurrence, severity, and treatment response of acne by interacting with skin barrier, sebaceous gland, innate immunity, and normal skin microorganisms. And acne exposome includes nutrition. In the past, nutrition was not a proven cause of acne. However, recent studies show a link between diet and acne. One of the first things that I do is tell patients like Ryan to stop eating foods that may cause acne. So, what are these foods that might cause acne? 1. High glycemic index food. So with high glycemic index food like pizza, cookies, and cakes, what happens is it increases the insulin level, which actually promotes inflammation. And with this inflammation, it will cause the buildup of dead skin cells. Second, chocolate. Actually, chocolate can cause acne, but it's still unclear what's the main component in chocolates that's causing acne. Because there are some studies saying that even if you use 70 to 90% of cocoa in chocolate without added sugar, it might also trigger acne. But according to some studies, it might be the whey proteins, which can cause the acne flare with chocolates. Number 3, high intake of dairy products. Example is cow's milk and cheese. So, according to studies, high intake is more than 3 times a week can actually elicit acne flare. Milk has low glycemic index, but its hormonal components can actually spike up sugar and insulin levels, which can cause inflammation in the body. Technically, with these 3 things, it actually comprises the Western diet, which is high glycemic index food, dairy products, and saturated fats. So these 3 causes inflammation in the body and actually may cause acne to patients who are genetically susceptible to develop it. Now, let's talk about acne protective diet. So what are those? Number 1, fruits and vegetables. Well, according to study, eating fruits and vegetables will actually increase longevity. And generally, it has low glycemic index, so it will not spike the insulin, which will not cause inflammation in the body. 2, fish. Fish has lots of omega-3 fatty acids, which is anti-inflammatory, and it's being used for acne prevention. And 3, probiotics. Recent studies showed promising results with probiotics because it can regulate insulin and sugar levels. At the same time, probiotics can promote production of anti-inflammatory fatty acid, which will fight off inflammation. My goal as a skin doctor and preventive medicine practitioner is to restore the patient's skin barrier function so it will become less susceptible to inflammation, especially with acne and eczema. There are different ways to get this started depending on the severity of your acne, if it's mild or severe. So Ryan, what we did, of course, we explained first the preventive side on how to prevent acne inflammation through diet. And secondly, what we did is we use mild peel like our Coquille peel, which is alpha and beta hydroxy acid peel. It will actually remove the dead skin cells, which causes buildup in the oil glands. Also, what we did is we use Heal Light, which is light therapy. It will actually lessen the inflammation by lessening the bacteria that's causing the acne. And third, we also use Acne Clear Laser, Ryan, because we want to kill the bacteria that proliferated. At the same time, it also targeted the pigments or post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation that was left because of the acne. So that Ryan can keep recovering at home, I also recommended the Luminisce Acne Drying Kit. This is our premium at-home kits that has all-in medical-grade solution to treat acne and future breakouts.
After the procedure, as usual, what I usually feel with Luminisce talaga is really pampered, but at the same time, I feel confident na parang every time talaga I go out of Luminisce, I feel a better version of myself. Especially, I had Coquille, Heal Light, and Acne Clear Laser is new to me. So I'm really hoping na this one will really focus on my acne marks and the pigments na meron ako sa face ngayon. So yun, overall, it's really the confidence na Luminisce is giving to me whenever I do any acne treatments with it.
Can a vegan or vegetarian diet prevent acne flare? There's no significant studies that can support that vegan or vegetarian diet can prevent acne. A vegetarian and vegan diet will not actually guarantee an acne-free life because in actuality, you really have to eat in moderation. I hope you learned something from this episode of SkinVesting. Please like our video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell if you want to learn more from me and from Luminisce.